Little Lou.
Where are we?
We are in Virginia.
Ooh, got the state ride.
At the Natural Bridge
State Park.
State Park. We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. Past this many times.
A lot of times.
Going from Tennessee to Pennsylvania and back.
And every time we pass it, we're like, eventually we're gonna do that. Eventually we're gonna do that. Well, eventually is today. Unfortunately, it is $9 a person to do this hike.
Didn't know that.
So, embrace it. We said we'd do it. We're gonna do it.
Yeah. It's about a 2.5 mile there and back trail.
All right, we are following the yellow trail markers. There it is.
Wow. Really keep it around the corner from being paid, huh?
Here it is, the Natural Bridge.
What do you think?
Really cool.
And we are officially past the bridge, headed to the waterfall. Not sure what stop the waterfall is along the way, but the waterfall is our end goal. This is Saltpeter Cave we're headed to.
Gunpowder, that was the salt cave. It's just like what we saw when we were at the Peter Salt. When we, yeah, saltpeter. I said it wrong. Saltpeter. From Mammoth Caves. Because that was what they sifted it out, and that's what armed the soldiers for decades.
Big old saltpeter rock then.
Oh, specifically used in the War of 1812 and the Civil War. Cool.
We're getting closer to Lace Waterfall. I don't think that's it.
Oh, they blasted away because they could hear water, and then the water ended up being used for filtering out the nitrate of the saltpeter.
There it is. Lace Fall. It's like a nice flowy hole here that just goes down and follows the river that we walked up it. Well, we did the falls.
We did, we got to the falls. Super quick and easy, 1.1 miles.
Pretty much this the entire way. There was some stairs at the beginning. They're not bad. If you can't do stairs, they do have some sort of access road that they can take you down, which is awesome. And then it's really just this gravel dirt path the entire way. No real hills, no real elevation, just a nice leisurely slow pace and a beautiful view along the river. One last look back. That's Natural Bridge State Park.